Hey everyone, thanks for checking out another video. I have this 2006 base model Honda Civic in the shop for a tune today. This is actually the second time this car has been at my shop for a dyno tune. This car is kind of unique because it is a base model, but it has been swapped with full K-swap and 6-speed transmission, and I'm gonna get into that all in a second. I tuned this car about a year ago. They put down some great numbers, but the owner has done one big upgrade that everyone asks about and everyone is always interested in. So we retuned it with that upgrade and it put down some great numbers. So I thought I would take this opportunity to make a video for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments, but let's get into it. So like I said, this is a base model Civic. It normally comes with the R18 engine. The owner wanted more, so he did basically a full K-swap. It has a K24, it has a 6-speed transmission. To do this, you basically just need to swap in, obviously, the engine and transmission, swap over like a Civic Si wiring harness, Civic Si ECU, get the immobilizer reprogrammed, and then use a Hondata Flashpro so we can tune it. Swapping in the K series is a much better use of money than trying to chase power on the R18 engine, because you'll never be able to get close, power-wise at least. So the car's already all done, tuned this time around, and I have some really good comparison dynographs to show you guys, but why don't I go through all the details of this build. We'll cut to some shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results at the end. All right, so this car has everything done to it engine-wise. It is JDM K24A swap, 6-speed LSD transmission. It is full bolt-on, and that is the way it came the last time I saw it, and we did the tune. This time around, it has one big upgrade. It's the cams, but basically everything else is the same this time around other than the cams. But first, we should go through all the details of this build. It does have a Skunk2 3.5-inch cold air intake, K-tuned 72mm throttle body, a cut port and polished RBC intake manifold, RDX injectors, K-tuned header, 3-inch catback exhaust, Hondata Flashpro. Internally, the engine does have the upgrades, and it had those last time it was here. It has the 50-degree VTC Cam Gear. It has RSX Type S oil pump. But this time around, the owner swapped in the set of 06 to 08 TSX cams, the 06 to 08 K24A2 cams, which are usually considered the best OEM cam you can swap into a K series, especially the K24. And it did make a big difference today. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. So, like I said, all the tuning has been done. I'm gonna cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results at the end. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you're eager to see what this thing put down. Up on the screen, I have the results from last time it was here. And with all these mods and the JDM K24A, it put down 228 wheel horsepower, 188 foot-pounds torque. This thing put down some great power, VTEC at 45, redline at 8,000. So great results for the stock cams, but why don't I bring up the graph with the results from today with the upgraded cams. All right, guys, up on the screen in red are the results from the original setup with the stock JDM K24A cams, And in blue are the results from today with the 06 to 08 TSX cams. And obviously see right off the bat, huge gains. When I started tuning this, the car needed so much more fuel, which is always a great sign. If the engine is asking for more fuel, you know it's gonna make more power. We started it on the old tune and worked our way through it, and it just needed a bunch more fuel, which is always a good sign because it ended up making significantly more power. All said and done, it ended up making 247 horsepower, 201 foot-pounds torque. Basically same VTEC point, it still liked 4,500, it still liked 8,000 RPM redline, and but put down some great numbers for this setup. I think the owner's gonna be super happy with these results, and he's already talking about more upgrades. He has some plans for this in the future, so if this car comes back, I will definitely do another video for you guys. But I think that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.